The surface area of a cylinder is given by a formula that saves you having to imagine unwrapping it all the time, and that formula is 2 times pi times the radius times h. The radius just means the distance from the center to the edge of this circle on either end, and the h just means how far it is from the front circle to the back circle. So the basic formula for the surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi h. Now, it's a famous thing in maths that we only ever count the outside of a solid as part of the surface. That can seem a little bit weird. If I told you that you had to, if this was like an actual tank and I told you that you had to coat it with a protective paint, you might often want to put the protective paint on both the outside and the inside, but that's not what we mean by surface area in GCSE maths. We only mean the outside. Sometimes, however, you need to imagine closing the cylinder off. If you close it at both ends, so if you imagine that that's closed, you need to add a pi r squared, and if you imagine that that's closed as well, you need to add another 2 pi r squared. So I'll just say the formulas again. If it's an open cylinder, it's 2 pi r h. If it's a can, open at one end but not the other, it's pi r squared. And if it's a like a solid cylinder, the surface area is that. So that's 3 formulas for 3 different situations.